First smile, I guess. She was smiling for you too?
No.
Oh. Open your eyes, baby.
Oh.
Yeah, she's smiling.
Anticipating her lunch.